Welcome back, THF YouTubers and IGers. Finally, they are here. The '09, the '14 Ford F-150 Morimoto XB LED headlights. Oh my goodness, I really can't believe they're here. I've been waiting for these forever. And these things are so beautiful. They change the complete outlook of the truck, man. I mean, completely. 3 projectors on each side, bi-xenon LED. It's just amazing, you know. Check it out. Low beam. Look at that. 3 projectors. Let's get in the beam of the light. I mean, just look at it. It's so beautiful. Man, we even check out that projector line. Look at that cutoff line. It's beautiful. 6K, really bright. Oh, I'm not finished yet, guy. But wait, there's more. Let's check out the sequential. Look at that. Man, that is what's got me sold. Guys, if you want them, they're in stock right now at the moment. Limited while supplies last. You want to be one of the few only ones on the road with these? Call us today. Thank you and have a blessed day.